Okay, this is video number 28 and we are doing our course book. The lesson is Conquering Mount Everest. So in my last video, I have explained the lesson. Now in this video, we will be discussing question and answer. So what you have to do first, you will give the title of the lesson. Then you will stick the picture of Tenzing Norgay. If you want to draw, you can draw his picture. If you want to stick the picture, paste the picture, you can do that. And then you have to write at least 3 to 4 sentences relating to Tenzing Norgay. You can write that when he was born. Okay, I have also told you that when he was born. Now who was he? Okay, you can write about his life history. I just need 4 to 5 sentences you can write about him. So in this way we are going to start our lesson. After that, what you have to do, you have to write all the difficult words. The difficult words are given at the end of the lesson. You can see all the difficult words are there. So you have to write the difficult words, you have to write their meanings, and then we will move to question and answer. So I will be giving you the key points of the questions. Okay, I will be discussing the answers. You can write the answers in your own words. So let's start. Answer these questions with reference to the context. He hoped to make his fortune carrying loads of supplies for mountaineering expedition. Expedition means journey for a purpose. I told you. Mountaineering means mountaineering is an activity of climbing mountain. Who is he in these lines? Very easy. He is Tenzing Norgay. So he in these lines is Tenzing Norgay. Number 2. Why was he suitable to carry the loads? Why was Tenzing Norgay suitable to carry the loads? Yes, because Tenzing Norgay was a Sherpa. What is a Sherpa? Sherpa is a tribe. So Tenzing Norgay was a Sherpas, and Sherpas who had been living in high mountain for many years. Mountaineers on climbing expedition, what they do? They hire the Sherpas to carry supplies and to show them the way up the mountains. Why was he suitable to carry the loads? Because he belonged to the Sherpa tribes, and Sherpas had experience of living in high mountain, and Sherpas act as excellent guide and mountaineers. So Tenzing was suitable to carry the loads. Did he make a fortune in the end? Okay. Tenzing made more than monetary fortune in his lifetime. He became the first person to climb Mount Everest, and he was honored by the government. He gathered more fame than he could have ever imagined in his life. So yes, he was able to make fortune at the end. Okay. Answer these questions briefly. How do Sherpas help mountaineers? Again the same answer. I told you who were the Sherpas. Sherpas carry supplies and show mountaineers the way up the mountains. Because of their experience of living in high mountains, the Sherpas have proved to be excellent guides and mountaineers. So Sherpas, they carry supplies and show the mountaineers the way up the mountain, and because of their experience of living in high mountain, the Sherpas have proved to be excellent guides and mountaineers. Question number 2. How did Tenzing's move to Darjeeling benefit him? Tenzing moved to Darjeeling because he hoped to make money carrying loads of supplies for mountaineering expedition. 3 years later, he accompanied a survey team on an expedition to Mount Everest as a porter. In the next few years, Tenzing had taken part in more Everest expedition than any other climber. So in this way, Tenzing was benefited. I am repeating. Tenzing moved to Darjeeling because he hoped to make money carrying loads of supplies for mountaineering expedition. 3 years later, he accompanied a survey team on an expedition to Mount Everest as a porter. In the next few years, Tenzing had taken part in more Everest expedition than any other climber. And this was a turning point in his life. Question number 3. How did Tenzing get to learn so many languages? This is very easy. Tenzing learned to speak 7 languages because he worked with lot of different people. Question number 4. How have Tenzing's courage and heroism been honored? Okay, he was awarded 2 prizes. What were the awards? Tenzing was awarded the British George Cross and the Star of Nepal for his courage and heroism. So the answer will be Tenzing was awarded the British George Cross and the Star of Nepal for his courage and heroism. Question number 5. Why was Hillary fortunate to have the calm Tenzing by his side while climbing Everest? Why Hillary was lucky? Why she was fortunate? Fortunate means lucky. Because you know that when they both were climbing, what happened? Hillary lost his footing and Hillary was about to die, and Tenzing saved Hillary. How he saved Hillary? He saved Hillary by holding the rope tightly and then firmly placing his axe on the ice. So he saved Hillary's life. Hillary was fortunate to have the calm Tenzing by his side while climbing Everest, because during their climb, Hillary lost his footing and nearly died. Tenzing helped him. He held the rope line tightly and planted his axe firmly in the ice. And in this way, Tenzing saved Hillary's life. What is the answer to the question asked by Aditya towards the end of the passage? You may use the internet. So what was the question asked by Aditya at the end of the lesson? I have given you the answer also in my last video. This was the question asked by Aditya. Do you know which award has been established in Tenzing Norgay's honor by the government of India? Okay, this was the question, and the answer to this question is Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award has been established in Tenzing Norgay's honor by government of India. Okay, thank you.